Hello everyone, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା and a very good evening to each and every one of you. Thank you so much once again. ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପରେ ଆମେ ଆଉଥରେ gather ହେଇଛେ and it's a very pleasant evening here. I'm looking at the moon sitting on the terrace and listening to some sounds of some birds around and such a beautiful evening here. And aji Raja Sankranti, ସମସ୍ତେ definitely must have enjoyed a very good atmosphere at home if you are at home, and or you may be on leave. So I presume that you all had your dinner and quite relaxed as you listen to me. So ଆଜି ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ସେସନଟା ନବା ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି OCS preliminary ବିଷୟରେ. The preliminary OCS which is like knocking at the doors. ବହୁତ କମ ଦିନ ରହିଲା, ବହୁତ କମ ନହେଲେ ବି କମ ଦିନ ରହିଲା. And I think this is a best time to actually begin talking about OCS preliminary. And this is a time when you can start or accelerate your preparation and achieve the desired result. Of course, ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର first goal ହେଉଛି to clear the preliminary examination. Before actually I begin, I would like to introduce all of you to the series of lectures or probably sessions that I'm going to take in the coming few days or few weeks. So this is going to be a series of sessions in which I will talk about the preliminary, all the aspects of preliminary exam, starting from general studies to the CSAT, and then handling the exam environment. And once that is over, and once you go to go appear your prelim, and then once it is over, then we will again talk about the mains and everything that follows in the new pattern or whatever has come up. The idea of actually conducting these sessions is not essentially feed you or to kind of bombard you or maybe engulf or drench you with so many ideas or maybe strategies or way of doing things, do's or don'ts. No, ଏଇଟା ସେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷର ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ସେସନ ନଉଛି ଏହାର ଆଇଡିଆ ସେଇଟା ନୁହେଁ. ଏହାର ଆଇଡିଆ ହଉଛି to make all of you feel that there is a way in which you can keep yourself kind of in a certain way, so that the journey will be easier for you, and of course all of you can make it in this very attempt. OCS examination ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ 3 phase exam process ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି we go through the stress and anxiety in each of the 3 phases. Those who are waiting for the mains results at this moment, they are actually struggling a lot between their interview preparation and also doing their prelim preparation. ଯୋଉମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ prelim ବି approach କରୁଛନ୍ତି, they are struggling a lot between the thought that whether I'll be able to make it or not. Even if those will clear the mains exam, they will under lot of pressure to whether they will be able to get themselves into a list or not. And again, if God forbid that should not happen, କିନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଜଣେ କେହି ରହିବି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ପ୍ରିଲିମ୍ ଆପିୟର କରିକି ତାକୁ କ୍ଲିୟର କରିବା, ଏସବୁର ଯୋଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଟୁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ରୋ, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ tedious process. We must first acknowledge it. So I think the entire student fraternity, we should respect each other immensely, because all of us are not endeavoring something which is very ବହୁତ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷ ନୁହେଁ, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଜିନିଷ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଣ୍ଡେଭର କରୁଛେ. And this is of course a tedious process, a long exam cycle, and a failure at any stage might shift our achievement or maybe ଆମର success କୁ ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ କି 1.5 ବର୍ଷ ଆଗକୁ ଠେଲି ଦିଏ. ତ ଏ ସବୁ ଭିତରେ we all should thoroughly acknowledge, appreciate, accept, and of course maybe praise the journey that everyone is endeavoring. I think that can become the very first thing that we can do, so that we can feel comfort even while endeavoring our own journey. I would request all of you to completely relax because there is nothing very stressful or serious we are going to talk about. ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଆରାମ ସେ ପ୍ରିଲିମିନାରୀର ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହେଇଯିବା and of course ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ 5 ମିନିଟ୍ କଥା ହେବି that will be the introductory session. I mean, I will introduce all of you to what I am going to talk, maybe in the next hour or two, not today. आज हमें time टाको completely माने mind रखिवा, जति के परिवा सति करिवा, and we will keep on, talking and finish everything. But मैं ती कहिबी जे all of you should completely, absolutely relax and listen to me as if you are listening to a friend, or maybe as if we are gossiping each other, like together with each other, and completely thoroughly relaxed. You don't have to really stress yourself or burden yourself thinking that this is going to be a very big strategy session in which you have to take everything down and not miss a single word, nothing like that. Okay. And moreover, once I'm done, maybe in few days, kichi din bhitere, I'll also upload this, maybe send this video to be uploaded in the Synapse YouTube channel, and there you can also refer. So there is nothing very big we are going to discuss. बहुत जन मते request करथले where they can reach out to me. I am very active on Twitter these days. So ASWINI Aswini _ live is my Twitter account. There I am responding to messages of aspirants. There you can reach out to me. And I am also active in Telegram. I have decided to remain active in Telegram after the publication of results to really be of little help to my dear friends who are seeking something. More a personal decision thila. ଆଉ ମୁଁ ସେଥିରେ active ଅଛି ଅଶ୍ୱିନୀ live and thus come one ହଉଛି ମୋର ଦିଟା Telegram account where you can reach out to me and I will try certainly to respond to you even if not individually in the coming session. Your questions will definitely find answers. Now coming to what exactly will be the pattern of the discussion that is going to follow subsequently. प्रथमे आमे current affair विषय discussion करिवा जोथे कि I will talk about the mindset of the question setters in OPSC, those who are setting questions for current affairs, and what areas are they really liking, and how they are bit surprising students, what should be the exact mindset and approach of aspirants to really face those questions, and what is the relevance of current affairs. ए सब जिनस विषय आमे डिस्कस करबा कोठु पढिबे केमति पढिबे everything. And then we will talk about science. Science, one of the major chunk of Odisha Civil Service Preliminary Examination. I can say rank decider. जेतेबेले current affair, science, and तापरे हमें environment भी discuss करिबा. ए तीनटा combine हे गले they really kind of get close to 50% of the questions. 50% प्रश्न जहाँ आसुची सेटा ए तीनटा सब्जेक्ट ही आसी जाउची. से विषय में डिस्कस करिबा. We will talk about science, what are the areas actually जो थ्रू के science रे questions आसुची, and how common it is and how silly mistakes are students doing. ये सब जिनस विषय में कथा बा. साइंस को केमते आपण टैकल करिवे गोटे इजी वे रे आउ केमते आपण मैक्सिमम स्कोर करि परिवे, which is going to actually be the key player science in helping us clear the preliminary. And then we will talk about environment. आज ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏତିକି ସେଟ୍ କରିଛି ଯେ ଏନଭାୟରମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ କଥା ହେବା, କୋଉ ଏରିଆରୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ସ ଆସୁଛି, କେମିତି ତାକୁ ଟ୍ୟାକଲ୍ କରିବେ, ଆଉ କେମିତି ତାକୁ ଆପଣ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲ କରିପାରିବେ, ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ ଯେତିକି ଦିନ ବି ରହିଲା ତାକୁ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇପାରିବେ. ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଅଲଗା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହେବା ଆଉ ଅଲଗା ଡେଜ୍ରେ. But there is a hope that I cherish when I take these sessions, when I discuss with all of you, through these sessions one-on-one. I never feel I'm talking to a gathering or masses or maybe hundreds of aspirants. That is never in my mind. When I actually talk, I feel like I'm talking to each one of you individually. And of course, at this moment I'm looking at the moon. I cherish the hope that these sessions will not only help you clear the exam, but also kind of polish each other as individuals, who are going to really carry in our shoulders so many things in the next few decades. So that is also one hope I cherish, that these sessions should be enriching to us, not only in terms of clearing the examination, but also in terms of kind of healthifying our spirit, or perhaps making us richer in spirit and hearts. So सेमती गोटे hope cherish करके मैं sessions निये, and I will be extremely happy and grateful if one person ए माने sessions रे थिबा जणे individual, जणे aspirant, my fellow friends, काहाकू जणों को भी एई सेशन जदि तांका लाइफ रे टिके होप आ टिके करेज दे परिबो, जदि टिके अधिक कॉन्फिडेंस दे परिबो एग्जाम फेस करिया पई, I will absolutely feel my efforts worthwhile, and it will definitely give me a lot of satisfaction. Well, that's all about the introduction that I wanted to share to all these sessions that I'm going to take. There it will be a long series which will encompass not only preliminary but also the aspects of mains, for which I will take the sessions in the future. But it is my ardent desire that even if invisibly, even if subtle, in a subtle manner, I will stand by everyone's side in some or other way, and help maybe all of you to get closer to your dreams. Thank you very much. So we will begin the first session, current affairs, shortly, maybe in just a minute. Yeah, thank you very much once again.